Hi everyone, here we've got Realme 7i and let me share with you how to enable developer options on this device. So firstly we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll down to actually very bottom in order to find about phone. Now we have to find build number, which should be in the version, so let's tap on it, and as you can see on the very first position we've got it. So all we have to do right now is simply keep tapping on it until we will see that we are in the developer mode. There is a chance that before you will enter the developer mode, your device will ask you to enter the password or the PIN pattern, whatever you have as a screen lock set. So let me get back, and right now we have to find the developer options, and they probably will be in additional settings. So let's tap on it, and here let's scroll down in order to find developer options. They are here, so let's tap on it. And as you can see here, we've got plenty of advanced options which we can customize. So for example, we can turn on the bubbles, so some notification can appear as bubbles on the screen. We can tap on background check, and here we can check if we've got any apps which are running currently. We can tap on window animation scale, and we will be able to change it. We will be able to show visual feedback for tabs. Here we've got some options connected to the Bluetooth, so quite a lot of options which we can turn on or off and actually personalize. So in order to turn on the feature, just tap on the switcher on it, and as you can see it will be immediately activated and applied, and tap on it again to turn it off. Here, after tapping on the option without the switcher, you can open much more advanced settings, just like here in the, for example, animator duration scale. So if you are done with customization of developer options, you can go to the very top of the list and tap on the switcher to turn them off. As you can see, they immediately disappear, and after getting back to the additional settings, you cannot see the developer options. And no worries, obviously, if you'd like to customize them again, just go back to the build number step and keep tapping. So actually that's all. This is how to enable developer options in your Realme 7i. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.